Okay, so we took our RunCam Split 2 and we soldered on our transmitter. Why would we do that instead of just throwing it in the quad and soldering up? Well, we wanted a portable solution that was lightweight, that we could fly FPV and record HD video. So we got our Bugs 3, our F100, and we're gonna put it right in here and we're gonna fly it. So we get our HD video and FPV feed all in one in a nice lightweight solution. It's gonna be awesome. Let's do it. All right, so the best thing here is I'm both recording and viewing at the same time. So it's recording on an SD card that's on the RunCam Split 2, and it's transmitting directly to my goggles so I can see in real time. Now, it is pretty awesome. There isn't another solution quite like this. It's an all-in-one record and view FPV at the same time. Pretty awesome. So we'll fly around a little bit more. You can kind of see it in action. You'll see I don't have any jello, which is pretty cool. I did stick a little bit of foam in the mount to keep it in place, and also to help some vibrations. But you're going to want to watch this video to the end. We're going to take a tree head on, and I'm not going to spoil it for you. We can figure out who wins at the end of the video. But hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, hit us up on halfchrome.com. We've got lots of drone stuff for you there. And if you like the video or some of our other stuff, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hey, thanks for watching.